Hey, I'm DinoRC, and today we're here with Yellow Jacket winch line. And who am I talking to?
Hey, my name's Craig Wallace, and I'm the owner of Yellow Jacket Winch Line. Specialize in pretty much anything winch line, from RC crawlers, tow trucks, even this big old SCX6. When they start making winches for it, we'll have it. So pretty much anything that you need to tow up a rock, my winch line can handle it at 300 pounds.
That's awesome. I have some winch line too. Mine's 180. 300 is awesome.
Yeah, so far I haven't met anything to where I can break my line yet.
I'd say not.
This thing will put it up to the test, but still don't think it's going to cut it.
Yeah. And we're here today at 23RC. Where's the other comps that you attend?
We do ROW and Crawl Zone down in, Sevierville, Tennessee. We do that. We used to do DLB a few years ago. Every now and then they'll have a comp. We just haven't seen one this year yet.
You gonna make it up to Super Shafty?
Unfortunately not.
Not gonna be there.
Yeah, lately we stick with ROW and this 23RC for now.
Yeah, well, 23RC is awesome. How long you been in the hobby?
Been a long time, since I was little. Ever since Radio Shack had their RCs years ago. Was it X Mod?
Yep, I remember. I've got some X Mods. I've been in a long time too.
Yeah. And
what's your favorite style of RCing?
definitely crawling.
Crawling?
Because it's more relaxing.
It is.
You know the woods enjoy it. There's no rush from racing and people chasing you. It's very comfortable. That's one thing I recommend for anybody that wants to relax. It makes time go a lot slower. Since they're slower, you race, you're done, 30 seconds? It feels like. But yeah.
Where are you all out of?
We're out of Bluff City, Tennessee.
Bluff City, Tennessee.
Yeah.
And what's your website?
Our website is actually, it's on our card here. It's basically Facebook, but you type in Yellow Jacket Winch Line .scale gear.
There you go. Check them out there on Facebook.
Yeah, and we're always throwing stuff up for sale. Find something new, we'll get rid of something else we've got. Winch line and everything.
There you go.
Yeah, I think every now and then we'll have some scale stuff as well.
Awesome. It's a great hobby, and it's fun to. I like to talk to different people and meet them on the rocks, is what I call it. And it's a nice day out today.
Yeah, it's perfect today.
Well, anything else you want to add?
Well, other than hopefully it seems to be a good turnout for today. So,
well,
I'd look forward to the rest of crawling today and get this big thing up and running. That's a lot of weight there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, this is Dino, and I'm going to see you on the rocks.